An Internet Crime Guide. Chapter 1. Evil people use the Internet as a tool. Internet Crime 1. The most common, random Internet crimes are ripping someone off either through spam or pretending to sell something through a fraudulent website, sell fake stuff on eBay, identity theft, or stealing credit card numbers. There are a few luring and raping cases, but they happen after the players develop an online romance. The easiest way to stay safe when buying or selling something is to use PayPal or a similar service. This way credit cards don't enter into it. PayPal is an intermediary. They collect the money from the buyer in exchange for a small percentage of the amount of sale. Online sales merchants have to watch out for hackers and thieves who use stolen credit card numbers to steal from them. Some warning signs of fraudulent credit card transaction are: the buyer or seller uses a free service like Hotmail or Yahoo rather than one from an ISP. Different shipping and billing addresses. Order from foreign country in Eastern Europe or Africa. Sloppy order form, all lowercase. Order multiples of the same item. Large, expensive order. They get priority shipping for an extra fee. Thieves can steal a credit card number, but there is a number on the credit card they don't have called the CVV2 number, the 3-digit number to the right of the card number in the signature panel. You can use it as a security check by asking for it. Even if your processing system doesn't require it, ask anyway, because if they don't give you a 3-digit number, you know they're lying. If you run a business, you can use a system like visualware.com, which identifies the geographical location of the computer that's sending you an order, and you can cross-check it with the address they give you on the order form and with the address that the credit card belongs to. At the end of the day, you can take all the orders you got from the internet and type these phone numbers into a telephone reverse directory to cross-reference the number with the name and address. Is it the same as the name on the credit card? If not, it's a red flag. The major credit card services provide an address verification service for business owners with merchant accounts. Take advantage of firewalls and other security software. Internet Crime 2. Most scams involve one or more of the following: inquiry from someone far away, often in another country. Inability or refusal to meet face-to-face before consummating transaction. A lot of checks and money orders are fakes. Scammer will often send an official-looking email that appears to come from a reputable company like Craigslist or eBay, offering a guarantee, certifying a seller, providing payment services. All such emails are fakes. You receive an email offering to buy your item, or rent your apartment, sight unseen. Cashier's check is offered for your sale item, as a deposit for an apartment, or for your services. Value of cashier's check often far exceeds your item. Scammer offers to trust you, and asks you to wire the balance via money transfer service. Banks will often cash these fake checks and then hold you responsible when the check fails to clear. Someone requests wire service payment via Western Union or MoneyGram. Nothing is that urgent. Once you've wired money, it is gone. You have no escrow power to wait until you get the item. Don't rent an apartment unseen. Some ads are total fakes. Distant person offers to send you a money order and then have you wire money. It's a scam. Deal seems too good to be true. Distant seller suggests use of an online escrow service. Most online escrow sites are fraudulent, operated by scammers. Distant seller asks for a partial payment up front, after which he will ship goods. He says he trusts you with the partial payment. He may say he has already shipped the goods. Foreign company offers you a job receiving payments from customers, then wiring funds. You are typically offered a percentage of payments received. This kind of position may be posted as a job, or offered to you via email. Internet Crime 3. Even when you put ads on the internet, deal locally with folks you can meet in person. Don't buy or sell from foreigners in far-off countries. Never wire funds via Western Union or MoneyGram. Fake cashier checks and money orders are common. Banks will cash them then hold you responsible when the fake is discovered. Avoid deals involving shipping or escrow services. It's too complicated. Anybody can steal it along the way. Stay local. If somebody refuses to meet face to face, don't go through with it. If you receive an email offering to buy your item or rent your apartment, sight unseen, it's a red flag. Cashier's checks nowadays are almost always a red flag. A common scam used to be that the value of cashier's check often far exceeds your item. The scammer asks you to wire the balance via money transfer service. Banks will often cash fake checks and then hold you responsible when the check fails to clear. Common scam countries currently include Nigeria, Romania, United Kingdom, Ukraine, Spain, Italy, Netherlands, but could be anywhere. If the deal seems too good to be true or the price is too low, don't buy it unless you see it physically. Scammers often ask for your name, address, etc. to either make fake checks or steal your identity. Many online escrow sites are fraudulent, operated by scammers. If a distant seller suggests the use of an online escrow service, counter with a trustworthy escrow service. If a foreign company offers you a job receiving payments from customers, then wiring funds to them, they're ripping people off, you're collecting the money and sending it to them. This kind of position may be posted as a job or offered to you via email. If someone is too friendly and sociable in an ad or responding to an ad, it's a red flag. Ads are business. That's it. How can you tell if a website is fraudulent? Websites are like people. You can't really tell on face if they're honest or not. You have to look for little clues. If it's too slick, beware. An honest person talks from the heart. Slick marketers try to come on like honest people, but they give themselves away by hyping themselves up too much. Somebody with a sloppy website with simple grammatical spelling errors reveals themselves as not very educated. What is the motive of the website? How current or old is the material? A caring person always updates his material. A website with a lot of dead links shows it is not current. How true does the knowledge on the website jive with your own knowledge of the subject? Classified ads scams. Anybody can place an ad with an address at a free ads website. It's easy to fake your address by getting a free disposable one. If somebody wants you to send them money by Western Union or MoneyGram, that's a scam. If somebody sends you a money order or a cashier's check, don't send them the product until the check is deposited then cleared, the money debited from the account into yours. This takes 3 days. There are loads of fake checks around these days. If the deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. If you are selling something expensive, meet in a public place with lots of people around. There was a gang of punks that went to a house where the guy was selling an expensive piece of jewelry. They killed the guy but got caught through their online trail. Another guy went somewhere with cash to buy a car. It was a setup to rip him off. Craigslist.org, they have a section telling you how to be wary of scams. CraigsCrimeList.com. Cybercafe Danger Info. All cybercafes and public terminals are inherently insecure, so when you make a money transaction on PayPal or through your bank, you are leaving all that information on the computer for savvy con artists affiliated with that cybercafe business to steal from you. Cybercafes install monitoring and logging software to keep track of time online for billing. Every stroke you type is right there for them to see. If a crook works there, it's your loss. Internet fraud websites. FTC toll-free hotline. 877-FTC-HELP, 877-382-4357. 877-382-4357. FTC.gov. Canadian Phone Busters Hotline. 888-495-8501. Competition Bureau Canada. 800-348-5358. competitionbureau.gc.ca. IC3.gov, Internet Fraud Complaint Center. Cybercrime.gov. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/internet_fraud. Fraud.org. fraud.org/ifw, internet. fraud.org/internet/intct.hdm. fraudbureau.com, fraudguides.com, fraud-guide-to.com, fraudlabs.com, onguardonline.gov, onguardonline.gov/shopping.html, online secure shopping, scambusters.com, sec.gov/investor/pub/cyberfraud.htm, internet fraud, how to avoid internet investment scams, usps.com/postalinspectors/intrfrad.htm, internet crime simulation websites, spikeweb.com, spikewebnet detective, murdermystery.com, murder on the web, haunted-places.com, haunted places, courttv.com/games/pursuit/l1_q.html, legal pursuit, internet crime websites, ic3.gov, internet crime complaint center, cybersquirrel.com/clc/commerce, cyberspace law center, ccmostwanted.com, cybercrime.gov, cyberlawsindia.net, epic.org/security/computer_search_guidelines.txt, ftc.gov/bcp/edu/microsites/id theft, legal.typepad.com/security, magnacartaplus.org/bills/rip/index.htm, magnan.org/publications/2001.06.scu.llm, dissertation.pr, convention.cybercrime.pdf, techlawjournal.com, vachss.com/help_text/internet_safety.html,